again, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are great. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. Well, I'm back with another video, and in this video, we are remember I told you that we would have a second part to the things you should never say to Jamaicans. Well, this is part two of that video. So, oh my God, Jamaica is hot at this time. The place is hot, super, super hot. Not even a fan can cool it down at times. God. But thank God, thank God, thank God, thank God. In everything, you have to give thanks. Alright, so we're going to go into the video. This is a 10 things, part 2. So this will make 20 things. So this is 20 things. So part 1, 10 things that Jamaican you should never say to a Jamaican. This is the part 2 of the 10 things that you should not say to Jamaica. This is the other 10. Alright? So, number 11. If you lack proper hygiene, don't approach a Jamaican. Let me repeat. If you lack, if you not smell good, you not bathe, you not brush your teeth, no, don't approach a Jamaican, right? And let me say that again for you to hear me. If you don't have proper hygiene, do not approach a Jamaican, because Jamaicans will tell you what time of the day it is. In other words, brother, what you smell so? Brother, you smell horrible, man. You stink, man. Brother, go bathe, man. Yeah, you will get that. They will tell you to go and bathe. And if your arm smell, brother, you bitter, so man. You do you bitter, so man. Like, you need to go bathe, man. In other words, they're going to tell you, you smell really, really horrible and you need to go and bathe. So Jamaica, we not cover up nothing, we not pretty up nothing. Jamaicans don't pretty up nothing. We tell you straight up, you need to go and bathe. You need to have proper hygiene, and we're not afraid to tell you and let you know that. Number 12. Never approach a Jamaican aggressively. In other words, a Jamaican do something and you come talk to them about it, make sure so you get your attitude in check. In other words, make sure so you come to them calm, because it's going to be a showdown. That confrontation is going to be a showdown, because Jamaicans will not take certain things. These are things that you never do to a Jamaican. Now approach you aggressively. Approach you with manners, as we say, manners, proper manners too. You get me? So when you approach, and there's a flip side to it, because Jamaica, we naturally has a aggressive culture. So the fact that we have an aggressive culture, most of the time, for a person to take you serious as a Jamaican, you have to be aggressive, because the culture is naturally aggressive, right? But there are times when you're approaching us, we rather you approach us with caution, approach us in a respectable manner. No matter come loud from way down there, so everybody can hear your voice, say, yeah, come approach me. Brother, stop it there, so. We also have to, so. Yeah, we stay so. We give the manners, but we expect it back in return. So when people not give, but we diss them. Yeah. Alright. Number 13. Never drive and slash a Jamaican, especially we in our white out. No, don't do it. Do not splash us. You get me? Yes, because and every Jamaican, some of us we will take it lightly, but some of us, remember, you need to replace your windscreen and your car. Yeah. Sorry, either your windscreen or your back mirror, you're going to have to replace it. Jamaicans will not play a certain game, and especially when you splash me up with attitude and calm with your business, yeah, we not run them joke there. You have people in Jamaica, don't don't take this for granted to say that it's all Jamaicans that is like that, you know. Because a lot of Jamaicans, persons will splash them up. Some of them will walk with a stone in their hand, so people will know, say, yeah, caution. If me splash that person there, So, you get me? But it's not all of us that are like that. Some of us, you'll splash us and you'll get away with it. But some of Jamaicans here, we don't run them game. We don't run them jokes. We don't run those jokes. We don't run those jokes. So guess what? When you see water and you see us in our nice clean white clothes, please slow down. And before we go on to number 14, yeah, motorists, take time on the road. Yes. Want to take time on the road. And especially when you see the dirty water, remember people are human beings, they're not dogs. So when you're driving by, ensure that you look out for the pedestrian, okay? So please. Yeah, look out for your brother and sister on the road. None of all we drive. So the one them where I walk, you look out for we. You get me? Yeah. Number 14. Never be annoying. Jamaicans will avoid you. You know what we call annoying? When you ask too much question, we don't like it. We find it very annoying. And not only that too, you will ask one question over and over. No, it annoys me. Don't do it. Right? These are things that you never do to a Jamaican. They find you annoying and they will never look at you. And also, being intrusive. We don't like it. No, do it. We find it annoying. Alright. Yes, and as I said, never be intrusive, especially when you enter Jamaican home. When you enter Jamaican home, never you be intrusive. In other words, some of the things, where you get that, how much for that, how that looks so, what go on with that, yeah. What is the price for that? What is that? How that look like that? No, we don't run those jokes. That will be the last time you will enter Jamaican's home. We don't like intrusive people. We don't like it at all, at all, at all, at all. Right? So never go to a Jamaican house and be intrusive. They don't like it. You get me? These are some of the things they find annoying. And especially when you're chatty. We don't, and ask too much question. We don't like it. It's annoying. Stop it. It's annoying. Don't and never go to a Jamaican house and do that. As I said, that would be your last invitation. Oh God, this one, number 16. Never. Yes. I'm talking to people. If you're in the United States, you're in the UK, you're in Jamaica, you're all over the world and you're watching this video, remember, never stare at a Jamaican. We don't like it. If you want to say something to us, come straight. As I said, we don't like people beat around the bush. And we don't like people just be there just staring. We don't like it. If you're looking at us, come straight to us and talk to us. Don't sit there and stare. It's creepy. It's annoying. You don't do that, right? As a matter of fact, you will be there staring at a Jamaican and they get so angry that them ask you, where look on my pop? You get me? So in other words, they're asking you, what is it? And why are you looking at them? And when you hear them ask you that when you're staring at them, no, they're going aggressive mood. Because Jamaicans don't believe you should be looking at them for too long. And I think it's impolite to stare. Because you can look at somebody, then you take off your eye and then you look again. It is very impolite and it is annoying and it's uncomfortable. Right? It's creepy too. Right? So Jamaicans don't like it. Never you stare at a Jamaican. Okay? Number 17. And this is something that men love to do. Men, you need to be very, very observant when it comes to a Jamaican woman, wherever she is in the world. You see, when you see a Jamaican woman walk fast, when you see a Jamaican lady walking very, briskly walking fast going through, don't stop her. Especially if you're stopping her to ask her for directions. Yes, she will stop and she will point you to the direction and go back on her way. But when you're stopping her for pleasantries and also you're stopping her to tell her that she looks nice or you like her, no, they, as we say in Jamaica, no, this your brother, not do it. Do not do it. Right? It is not nice to do that. Jamaican women find that as a turn off, especially when we're going our way. We rather to go on our merry way without the disruption, right? You know, I remember I was told at a point that my attitude did not fit my face by a young man that was driving. He believed that I was going my merry way, trying to catch somewhere, and he wanted me to stop to have a conversation, telling me that I actually look nice and he wanted a conversation. But the thing about it, I have a mirror, brother. I have a mirror at my home, right? So I got so angry, and this is what I keep seeing most of the time. Jamaican ladies get so angry when they are being stopped, and then men are saying that they're not polite. It is not that we are not being polite. You cannot look that time to be telling us that you like us and that we look good. You're seeing that we are moving fast, right? When it is a case that you're seeing that we are moving at a normal pace, you can approach us, but you have to approach us with caution. This is things you never do to a Jamaican lady when you see her walking fast. Alright? Number 18. Never accuse a Jamaican. You will see the worst side of them. Right? A Jamaican, and this is very important, don't accuse Jamaicans. Never. A Jamaican will leave from a 0 to a 100 in no time just by you accusing them. Never accuse a Jamaican, right? We don't take it lightly, right? You see, especially when we're telling the truth, Jamaicans, we don't like you to second guess us. Never second guess us, especially when we're telling the truth. So don't accuse us, right? Alright, so number 19. Ooh, number 19. Never use racist comments to a Jamaican. We don't take racism very light. No matter where we go in the world, people will actually find out that it's a different set of black people they're dealing with. We don't take it. We don't entertain it. We don't even want to deal with it. So you come to us with the racism, we will deal with you so terrible. It is not normal. So Jamaicans, as a set of black people, we don't take racism. So other cultures, other countries with black people and the racism, and they take it as something normal. No, we not joke with them something, brother. We get mad. I'm gonna tell you, mad with a lot of D going down the road. Mad, more than mad when it comes to racism. We don't take it lightly. So guess what? Jamaicans, you have to be cautious. Once you know you're dealing with a Jamaican, be cautious when it comes to racism. Alright? We don't take it lightly. Right? And example, we're going to a store and you feel so because somebody's of a different race, you should put them over we and sell them before we. We tell us, look here, our money we are spending, and we will walk out of your store. You get me? We not take them something that likes. We not allow anybody to behave like them more than we. We don't allow nobody to jump on we. No. No matter where we are in the world, you bring it to us, we bring it back to you. That is how Jamaicans are. But we're a loving set of people, you know? We're a very loving set of people, but I can tell you straight up, you see the homosexual card and the racism card, And this goes up your mother, we not take it lightly, right? So once you know Jamaicans, these are things you never do to them. Alright, never disrespect a Jamaican. You see, when you do things to a Jamaican, this is number 20. It's when you do things to a Jamaican, when you talk to a Jamaican, talk to them, put respect on them name. Talk to them with respect. Because as people would say that we're the angriest set of black people on the planet, no. I beg to disagree because you have Jamaicans that are very calm and collective. Meanwhile, you have some Jamaicans that they don't care where they are and they don't care who you be. Not talk to them, so not deal with them, so not disrespect them, so not this your back. You get me? If no matter where we are in the world, right? Even when we're far from home, anything you bring to home, we bring it back to you. That is how Jamaicans are, right? But as I say, we are very loving and we're very kind person. If you even look at Jamaica, Jamaica is very beautiful. We are beautiful, hard people. And no matter what, we love one another and we love people on a whole, right? There's just certain things what we just don't take from people, right? And every Jamaican is different because for me, I believe in being, I love humility, right? And I'm a very humble person. And I'm a Jamaican. I have a lot of friends that are Jamaicans and they're very humble. They're very quiet. They're very caring. So this thing that people think that we are all angry, no. But there are certain things you just don't do to us and expect that we're going to bypass it, right? So I'm saying learn it and learn it well. These are some of the things you never ever ever do to a Jamaican. And once you know these things, you are a Jamaican, you will get along very well. So guess what? Until next time, take care of a nice, clean, good of self. And guess what? Bye. And I will see you in my next video. And you can also comment, share, like, subscribe. And also, if there's any video that you want me to do, you can also say it in there. You can also let me know. Alright? And I will ensure that I give you that video. So continue sharing, continue subscribing, and continue liking. And bye. Take care. Goody goody say.